Hello, today we will guide you through how to view sales reports in Square. To begin, open your web browser and go to your Square dashboard home. This is the central place where you manage your business activity. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct business account so the right data appears. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see the main navigation. Look for this section labeled Reports. This is where Square groups all of your analytics and performance insights, making it easy to monitor revenue, trends, and activity without jumping between different tools. Click Reports to open the reporting area. From here, you'll see several report categories. Choose Sales to focus specifically on your sales performance. This narrows the view to revenue-related information rather than inventory, banking, or other operational reports. Next, click Sales Summary. This is the high-level overview many teams rely on for quick health checks and regular reviews. The Sales Summary brings together your core metrics in one place, so you can see what's driving your totals at a glance. As the page loads, you'll typically find figures like gross sales, discounts, returns, taxes, tips, refunds, and net sales, along with breakdowns by category, item, location, device, or payment method depending on your setup. Think of this as your snapshot for the period you're reviewing. Now adjust the time frame so the report shows exactly what you need. Locate the date selector near the top of the page and open it. Choose the time period you want to analyze, whether that's today, yesterday, the last 7 days, this month, or a custom range that aligns with your reporting cycle. After you select the date or range, the report will refresh to reflect your choice. If you run multiple locations or channels, the date change helps ensure you're comparing like for like across consistent windows of time. As you review the refreshed results, scan the totals and the breakdowns to understand what's contributing most to performance. For example, look at which categories or items are leading, how much of sales are discounted, and which tender types are most common. If your business experiences peaks during certain hours or days, this is a good place to confirm those patterns over your selected date range. That's it. You've reached the sales summary in Square, adjusted the date to the time frame you care about, and viewed the key figures that matter for tracking your business. Use this path: dashboard, reports, sales, sales summary. Anytime you want a quick, reliable overview of how sales are trending.